Will Apple TV work on any TV? Apple TV is compatible with most modern televisions, but certain requirements must be met for the best experience. If you're considering using Apple TV with your television, here is what you need to know. 1. Apple TV requires an HDMI port. Apple TV connects to televisions using an HDMI cable. If your TV has at least one HDMI input, it should work with Apple TV. Older TVs without HDMI will require an HDMI to AV converter, but this may reduce picture quality. Second best performance with HD or 4K TVs. Apple TV HD works on 1080p Full HD TVs. Apple TV 4K works best on 4K Ultra HD TVs with HDR and Dolby Vision support. If your TV is not 4K, Apple TV 4K will still work, but content will be displayed in the highest resolution your TV supports. Third, Smart TV versus non-smart TV compatibility. Apple TV works on both smart and non-smart TVs. If your smart TV already has streaming apps, Apple TV provides additional features like AirPlay, Apple TV Plus Originals, and Apple Arcade. 4. HDMI-CEC for better control. If your TV supports HDMI-CEC, you can turn on the TV and switch inputs automatically using the Apple TV remote. Most modern TVs have HDMI-CEC, but some may require manual activation in settings. 5. Apple TV Remote works with most TVs. The Apple TV Remote can control TV volume and power on most HDMI-CEC compatible TVs. If HDMI-CEC is not supported, you may need to use your regular TV remote for some functions. 6th, audio compatibility. Apple TV supports Dolby Atmos and surround sound, but your TV must support these formats or be connected to a soundbar or AV receiver. 7. If your TV does not have HDMI. Older TVs without HDMI ports require an HDMI to RCA adapter to convert the signal. This setup may not support high-definition resolutions and may have compatibility issues. Who can use Apple TV on their TV? Apple TV will work on any television with an HDMI port, whether it is a smart TV or a non-smart TV. For the best experience, a full HD or 4K TV with HDMI-CEC is recommended. If your TV lacks an HDMI port, an adapter is required, but performance may be limited. Apple TV enhances any television by adding high-quality streaming, Apple TV Plus Originals, AirPlay, and advanced picture and sound formats, making it a great option for upgrading your home entertainment system.